What's up? It's the Prelude, dude. I got Drake and Jake. You know, we're doing a little thing different today. We're not doing like a bunch of runs and trying to make a concept. We're just, you know, hanging out. We're going to work on all our cars. If you haven't noticed, we're back at Drake's house. Woo! Things we got planned. Drake needs to do a couple hoses on his cooling system, and I need to do a compression test. And after that, we got to do some grinding. I'll be respectful to the neighbors. Don't fall, man. It's okay. Don't do that. That would have been great on camera, though. That would have been great.
Can I sue you for videotaping me?
Oh! Cut. I'm lined up. I got the Prelude. Boom, boom, boom. Jacob's got his Nissan. Back there. There's the Mustang. You know what that is. And then in the garage, we got a little something special again.
There we go. Oh, buddy. So, what are we looking for? The fuel pump fuse. I literally cannot find it on here, so it might not be on here.
Oh, you know what? I think the relay, I think the way they were on the Civics, the relay and stuff is down by the foot.
Yep.
That's right. Yeah, because your old
Yeah,
Civic-
remember?
All right. So, because of Brilliant Dan, we now don't have the interior piece that tells us which relay is which, because you wanted to rip all the interior out.
Hey, man, it was weight, dude. Like, probably weighed like 3 ounces or something, dude. That's, you know what that equates to a quarter mile? Overrides the fuel, so it'll, yeah.
We're talking about weight reduction, Dan. Your car does it naturally.
That was ice, man. That was ice. I don't want to hear nothing else about rust. This thing is pristine.
Pristinely rusty.
You know what, Trey? You're off the channel.
Hope you got that on camera.
Yep. Honda talk at its finest.
Oh, shit talk.
He just said bad words.
It's okay. I'll bleep it.
Okay.
You just said a bad word. What
We
are
got-
you tattling?
Yeah.
Compression gauge. I'm going to thread this in right where the spark plug was. Most of you probably already know this, but, you know, for those that don't, this is a compression gauge. I'll go, you know, we got to disconnect the distributor still.
Yeah, disconnect it, and then which way does it pull up, or do you pull out?
Oh, man.
Dang, why'd you have to laugh?
Crap. Well, my YouTube career's over.
You disconnecting the distributor,
Yeah.
it also might disengage the fuel pump.
Yep. Ignition control module.
Yep.
Boom. High five. Woo. All right.
Look, somebody on YouTube might have just learned something.
Yeah. Or somebody's like fact checking it right now. Like, let me see. He's wrong. On this model that was produced this one time, it is incorrect.
1%er. 1%.
We gotta go half years. There was a half model change. It came with 2 cup holders instead of 1.
Oh, hey, Dan.
You know what I need? The key.
You know what also? Well, we gotta check all that intake stuff, because I might have enough pieces for you to have them full.
Boom! You know what? Because I did have a subscriber that mentioned something about that a few videos back. He's like, I'm surprised you haven't done an intake mod yet. I'm like, yeah. Sorry, guy. I'm broke.
We're gonna go find out.
I'm broke.
We're gonna go find out if I can hook Dan up with one.
Alright, cool. And look what Drake's got. Coming in clutch. That is, look at that. That's like standard Honda design right there.
Yeah, bro.
That's
And
like
literally
perfect.
Just pieces I had.
Yeah,
around.
yeah, he came in clutch, man. All right, sweet. So, you know, we'll add that in a little bit. We'll do the compression test first because we're all mocked and ready to go. When I'm actually doing the cycling of the engine, I'm gonna do it for like a 5 count. So I'm gonna give it enough time for it to
Get the highest compression.
get the highest, exactly what Drake said. Get the highest compression that it's going to give as a reading, and just 1 or 2 bumps, it's not gonna really get it. So about 5 count, and then at that point, that should be, within a little bit, plus or minus whatever, what we're actually at. So, and then there's a wet method too, where you squirt oil down, and I'm just not going to do that today.
We're doing dry.
We're doing dry. We're doing it dry.
That one's actually pretty respectable.
What's it say?
180.
180?
Yeah.
Wow.
It got up to 180 pretty quick, and then fluctuated between 185 and 180.
Really?
Yep.
Yep.
On to number 2.
Number 2.
What are we reading?
Damn.
What?
It got all the way up to 210.
What? Oh no. So I got 180 and 210. Let's go on to the next one.
But, hey, didn't you also hear that loud
Ting.
Yeah.
It was a ting?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You pissed and slapped it.
No way. No way.
You see the indentation?
Yeah, I see that. No way. Can you see that? Piston slapped. Whoops.
Alright, go ahead. About 175.
Okay.
$180.
All right. So, 180.
I think I basically say
I think 180 probably on cylinder 2. Or vehicle. What do we got here?
simple maintenance, man.
All right.
all we're doing, just replacing this top hose. I got the hoses to do both, but for today, all we're gonna do is just this. This is the one I'm worried about. It's the most spongiest.
Oh yeah.
Flexible.
Ooh.
And you
Yeah.
can see it's kind of starting to stretch over the clamp look.
Yep.
So.
Yep. It's enlarged for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right. Let's swap it. Then we'll move on. Oh yeah. Let it drain. New status. Oh yeah. See, I told you, like a pit stop. All right. Look at all that room for activities. Woo! I say you just leave it off. You'll be all right, right? Cap it. Is that not a thing? That's not a thing?
No. Not
Oh, not yet. Match it with the old one. There's the old one down there. Apples for apples, right? What do you think?
The bend is a little different right here.
It is.
Again.
All right, we flipped it around. Let's try. It's like it's designed to fail. Really don't have that much against Fords. I've driven a lot of Fords. I've owned a lot of
You
Fords.
had that, what was it,
I've had Expedition and Explorer. I've had
I
three.
remember that Red Explorer.
I've had 3 different Explorers.
and probes, we can't forget the
Oh my
probe
god,
this year.
and the problems. My god, the
Double
problems.
probe.
You know, we had this one probe, it got passed around more than that girl you know about. Like, it was bad. You okay?
But it was true.
It was, man. Like, I owned it, and then, like, 3 other guys that we all know that were all, like, local to this little scene thing we had all owned the same car at one point. And then, like, it was just bad. It was a nightmare. The seat belts in the passenger seat. Oh my God, Peyton used to flip out because like it would just unbuckle itself. She was like, "It's the devil probe. It's trying."
Yeah, before I put the clamps on.
Fitment, yo.
And it's kind of fucked up, but we'll see what it looks like.
Bleep.
It's kind of messed up. So
It's kind of messed up, yeah.
Well,
Well,
we'll
you
see
know.
after it warms up if it kind of molds to it.
Is that how they make these now? Mold your own? Oh yeah, so it's gonna be truck time now. Look at that thing. Remember this? It had a bed on it. It don't now. Now it's got all the rust exposed, man. It looked better with the bed. No offense.
Well done.
I'll stop at the parts store later, figure out what's going on with the intake on the Prelude, and at that point, you know, I'll make a little video we can see. Getting hard to breathe in here. You know, probably wear a respirator.
Look, you got a spot on the screen.
Oh no! yeah, I would not be cool with that. Okay. I'm okay now. All better.
That's the picture from here back. Like the real
This
thing.
is where they've been hitting already. I've come over to this side with the grinder here, and I've been working on it. You can see I've taken it down quite a bit. Like, this is what it looked like right there. That's a perfect example of the whole frame. Talking about. But you want to take a look? Here we go. This is the side I've been grinding on. I showed you what it looked like to begin with. It's getting there. It is a work in progress. This is on their second pass through on this rail. That's actually starting to clean up pretty nice. It's getting there. This is a beat down. Beat down. There we go. Check that out. Yeah. Woo. Man, that's like a 20-gallon tank.
That's what I'm saying. They're really big for 2 fucking tanks.
Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is really good peek under here. Oh, man. That's atrocious. Like halitosis. What's up, Jake? Good job pulling that out, strongman style. You guys did an awesome beatdown. I would rate that like a 7 on a beatdown scale. That's pretty sweet. You like it
No
was,
fucks given.
yeah, it was like Office Space when they beat up the copier, dude. It was like, yeah,
Just what's up, Facebook?
Woo! What's up? Alright, so we're wrapping up, kind of a long day of recording. We did a lot of stuff today. It was pretty fun. I just had to stop and pick up a few things here at, the auto parts store. And pick up one of these guys so I can finish the cold air intake. And then that'll be squared away. But, so, on the ride home, Jacob and I want a little rematch from earlier. A little prelude on Nissan. Here we go. Get up to 50. Alright. So from here, ready? About 40? Alright. This is sweet. This was the prelude, dude. And you know we had Jacob and we know we had Drake. We messed around, we had some fun, we were a little productive. The car feels not faster at all. But we know the compression ratio, well, the compression. We know what the compression is. We know from that, we know the motor is solid. It is okay to use as a boost platform. So that is the main thing I wanted to learn from this, and we have that information. And got a sweet little intake tube out of it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm gonna roll this out a little bit. Oh, yeah. Woo! Woo! This thing's running good. It actually is running good. So from 50, he doesn't have too much on. But from 40, wow, that was quite interesting.